Today's Ferrari is pretty special. It's a 2004 360 Challenge Stradale. Love the fact that it is, I think this is the end of an era, and we're going to take it for a ride. Oh, and yes, I really like it without the stripes because you can always put stripes on it, but you can't take the painted stripes off. So it's an open canvas. Come on. Okay, well, here we are for our cold start. And it is 80 some odd degrees out, so we are going to put the air conditioning on because we can. Nothing like a race car with air conditioning. Handbrake down, mirrors set, first gear. Let's get going. So this 360 Challenge Stradale is well known to us. We have sold it and serviced it in the past. And it is as close to new as you will get. It does not have any sticky switches whatsoever. It has 13,982 miles, so let's just call it 14,000. I'm sure this Challenge Stradale will speak for itself. It's a boatload of race car fun for the street. And something special from Ferrari that I doubt they'll ever make again. So she is almost warmed up fully. I have to say, I like driving it in race. I think the shifts are crisper. I think the downshifts are better. And we're really not racing on the street, but to me, it's just better drivability. We are going to get on it a little bit and show you how she goes. So 5th gear, 6th gear, down to 5th gear, 4th gear, crisp shifts, 3rd gear. I mean, what do you say? She's a Ferrari. She's a go-kart. I mean, probably one of the last really cool Ferraris, in my opinion. I'm sure there are a hell of a lot of people out there who will agree. It is user-friendly. It is fun. As much of a race car as I say it is, you can go to dinner in it in air-conditioned comfort. Certainly comfortable cruising. We're gonna stop right over here, let Jason out so we can do our flybys. We're actually going to change it up here a little bit, and we're going to go back, and Jason's going to drive a little bit. He's going to tell you what his opinion is.
Driver change.
We have now got Signore Jason post driving. He's going to give you his thoughts. I'm going to sit in the passenger seat and hope for the best.
This car is such a joy to drive. It's a Challenge Stradale, so it's a challenge car, it's a race car for the street. And it's got about 425 horsepower. That's only about 25 horsepower more than a standard 360. With this car, it's all about weight savings. Everywhere you look, it's carbon fiber. Everything was done for the sake of saving weight. There's no radio. That is to save weight. I absolutely love it. Leather seats are a great addition. That was a great option.
So Jason,
yeah,
how do you actually like driving the car?
I love driving this car. I feel like it's very tossable. makes a great noise. Not too stiff. I think it's still very usable. I think you can drive it around town, or you can open it up on your local farm road. I even think for some of the modern rallies, I think this would be an awesome choice. I love the paddle shifters. I'm a fan. I think it's a great car. They actually made less of these than they did the F40. So not only are you getting something very cool, you're getting something unique that you're not likely to see on the road. And
I'm going to have to warn you because
yeah,
you found my thumb in the photograph, so I just want you to see a clear picture of it. And now we're going to go back to reality.
one of my favorite parts about this car are that people don't know what it is. They think it's a regular 360. I like that about it, but
I
maybe
agree.
that's not.
I agree. I actually said at the beginning that I really love the fact that it doesn't have the stripes because it's a sleeper race car for the street. And
That's it. Perfect.
If you wanted a race car with numbers, you go to the track. Jason, without my finger in the view, just we're gonna get on it, aren't we?
We are. Great brakes to match. And these have big carbon ceramic brakes. And again, this is 2004.
What kind of brakes?
Big carbon
Big,
ceramics.
Big, large, huge.
Huge.
Like race car huge.
And that's 2004.
Yeah,
And Ferrari was doing that back then. 20 years ago. I think that's amazing.
I cannot see that's a brake. Really, I don't know why he's doing this to me. I tried to give him a shot at driving the car. Speaking.
all of that race technology that you used just a few short years ago is now found today on a street car. How cool is that? I think that's awesome. So thank you for watching, everybody. We really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, we will see you on the next one. Ciao.
Okay, with a little bit of luck, you can all tell us how you felt about Jason's driving. Don't worry, I'm okay.